What's up everybody, ATB here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Yu-Gi-Oh! TCG display opening. And yeah guys, today we are going to open this box right here. Yu-Gi-Oh! Dimension Force. And I bought it a few weeks ago from my sponsor partner TC Games. Shout out to him. I will leave his link in the description down below. Go check him out. And yeah, the last few weeks we have opened Ghost from the Past, Second Hunting, and now finally we are going to open Dimension Force. With that said, let's not waste any time and let's keep going. Let me know in the comment section below if you have bought this box, what you have pulled, or maybe you haven't bought it, I don't know. Let me know and I will come back to you. If you love this type of content, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you don't want to miss any of my new content, hit the ring bell notification button. With that said guys, let's go!
Let's go!
Wow! Alright guys, here we are. Yeah, you know how it goes. Let's take our bed knives and let's open this baby right up. Mic, stay here. What I can say about this set. It has some few beautiful cards, I have to say. Some secret rares and Starlight rares. Ooh, I love Starlight rares. But in this set we have, let's see, 50 commons, 26 super rares, 40 ultra rares, and 10 secret rares. And yeah, I would say let's not waste any time and keep going. Oh, yeah. Alright. Okay. Let's put this box aside. Okay. Alright guys, here we go. Wish me luck. Alright, first round. Ooh, this is our first super rare. Nice one. Alright. Okay, first super rare pulled. But we are not looking for this, we are looking for the big hits. And one specific card I would love to put. Ooh, this is, ooh, look at this. Ooh, this is bad. This is shit. One specific card I'm looking for is how does he's calling Tyrion? King Tyrion or something like that in secret rare, or if we get the big luck in Starlight rare. But yeah, let's just see how it goes and then we'll do the resume later. Alright, third pack, nothing special for now. Oh, this is next super rare. And nothing. I'm sorry guys for the for the hole in the glove. It just went off. But And yeah, the prices for these boxes I have paid now, how much? 40, 45 bucks, something like that. It's not, yeah, with my partner, he's giving it to me in sponsorship, but yeah, I think it's a pretty fair price. Oh, next super rare. Woo! Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, this set is unfortunately in German. I would like to have it in English, but yeah, my sponsor partner orders it always in German. I don't know why, but hey, what you do? Okay, next round. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Ooh, wait a second. This is this? No, this is a super rare, but this card exists also in the secret rare version. I think also Starlight rare. I don't know, but secret rare for sure. Ooh, this is a nice one. I'm gonna put you right here beside. All right, it goes on like this. You know when you have a song in your head and it doesn't want to go out. The last time I've had this one from John Cena. It's John Cena.
John Cena!
Oh, this is this an ultra rare? It's foil. Oh, yeah, this is our. No. Wait, let me check. Yes, guys. Yeah. This is our first ultra rare, right here. Woo! Nice. Let's put you beside. Nothing here. All right. Okay. Next one. Super rare. All right. Nothing. See? It's John Cena. He's fantastic. I love him. He's like Dwayne The Rock Johnson. Not that how you say prismatic, but I love him too on Suicide Squad. He was absolutely phenomenal. Shout out to John Cena. Super rare. Ooh, nice. Again, what's this? And nothing. So we are almost at the half of the display and no secret rare, no Starlight till now. Yeah, that was my phone. Hold on a sec. Hold on, little girl. Tell me what he said to you. Okay, let's start. Alright. Nothing here, nothing there. Next super rare. Alright. Nothing here. Oh man. I hope this box is not loose. I hope. I really hope. Phew. It's really hot in here. It's getting hot in here. So take off all your clothes. Better not.
Okay.
This is nothing. And nothing here. Right. I hope at least 1 or 2 secret rares. Come on. Come on, don't do me like that. Holy crap. Whew. This is our next ultra rare. Look at this. Dinomorphia Rexterm. Woo, nice. Alright, second ultra rare. Put you aside. And nothing here. Let's go. Let's go. Ah, Luigi. I'm sorry. Alright. And the next ultra rare. Oh, Exo Sisters Magnifica. Nice, nice. Put it aside. Keep going. Yeah, but guys, no secret rare inside. No secret rare or no Starlight inside. I don't know. I know that the pull rates on these Yu-Gi-Oh sets are absolutely catastrophical. I can't even talk about. But come on, give me at least 1 super rare. All right. Nothing. It's nothing to me. Yeah, I'm fucking stupid. Woo! Alright, let's go! Oh. Super rare. Yeah. Don't care. Super rare, I don't care. And this was the last one. Okay, after this pack, I'm gonna check how many blisters we have left. And then I think we're gonna start some countdown. Oh my, yeah, nothing. Okay, super rare here. This is looking like a goddamn loose. Okay, let me check real quick. We have, oh my, yeah, not much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 packs left. 9 packs left. And for now on, we got 3 ultra rares. Super rare. VLAN Hydra. Nothing. Oh, come on. 1 or 2. But not even 1 yet. Why I'm doing this? Why I'm doing this every time? Because I love it. Ooh, and we got our first secret rare. Libroman Fire. Woo! This is, look at this. Glitter, splitter, glitter. Nice, nice, nice. I'm gonna sleeve you up. Hold on. I'm gonna sleeve you up. Gonna sleeve you up, baby. Okay, let's put you here. Okay, this is our first hit from the box. First secret rare. It's alright. It's not my favorite wished card in this set, but I'm not complaining. At this point, I'm not complaining at all. Okay, this is blah 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 blah. Here, yeah, nothing. Oh yeah, Shamota. Alright. Here we go. Okay. I have to speed a little up, guys. Is something? No. And nothing. Nothing. Oh, jeez. Right. Super rare here. God damn it, leave me alone. I'm working. My phone is calling me. Okay. Super rare. Come on, give me at least one Therion, but from the remaining blisters, I think, how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is going to be a goddamn lose. Yeah. Right. Okay, let's keep going. Ooh, and our next secret rare, guys. Woohoo! Alba Lenatos. Oh my god, look at this. Woo! This glitter is absolutely, I love it. Absolutely fantastic. Alright. You deserve a sleeve too. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. I told you. Woo. Here we go. Nice. Alright. Second secret rare. Now they are coming one after another at the last 3 blister boxes. And here we have, yeah, chitty. Gang bang. Nothing. Alright, we have 3 blisters left. 3. I hope maybe we are gonna hit a 3rd secret rare, but let's see how it goes. This is super rare, I don't care. And thing. All right, second last blister. Oh, this is a rare. No, super rare. Excuse me. And nothing. All right. Oh my god. Last blister. You stupid man. Come on. And yeah. Last chance for anything. Oh my god. I'm sorry guys. I'm sweating like. I'm all shiny. Look at me. I hate summer. Alright, okay. Last chance, guys. Here we go. Alright, this is ultra rare. Therion this Colosseum. Ultra rare. Alright, let's put you back to the other. And yeah, this is it, guys. This is it. The box is empty. Ta-da! And yeah, we are gonna take a look at what we have pulled on this box. Alright, we have here the two big hits, secret rares. Then we have this is not a hit, but I think this card is looking beautiful. It's just a super rare, but it's nice. It's nice. All right, then we got the 4 ultra rares here. Let's put them. All right, we have Therion, this Colosseum. Then we got the Exo Sisters. Then we got Dinomorphia, and then we got Dinomorphia trap card. Alright, guys, these are the hits from the box. 2 secret rares and 4 ultra rares. Yeah, no Starlight rare, but hey, I take what I get. This is what it is. This is a random game, but still top pulls. I'm not complaining. And yeah, I would say let's end it right here. I'll see you in a minute. Alright, guys, we are at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, next week we are going to open another Yu-Gi-Oh! Display box. And it's this one. Legendary Duelist. I've bought this one last week. Yeah, last week, I think last week it came out. And yeah, we are going to open this one. And in this one, guys, in this one you have the possibility to pull also a ghost rare. One ghost rare, one. And yeah, but by these pull rates, I don't believe in my luck. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Yeah, with that said, guys, you know how it goes. Stay healthy, stay out of trouble. Have a good day. Bye.